So as you know, I like to collect my retro handheld consoles and just handheld consoles in general. And there's been a couple that I've been wanting to get my hands on for a very long time now, and it is these. We've got the Tetris micro card here and the Arduboy here, and they're both made by the same company, but the only problem is they are super expensive because I don't know if I think they're in high demand, but they're just not pumping them out quick enough. I don't know what I guess they're being quite sloppy, no offense to them. But I've managed to get hold of both of them. The Arduboy is coming up in a couple of days, so definitely subscribe if you want to see a review of that one. And that's the big boy. That one's actually like the really, really good one. But this one here is still pretty good in my opinion, but it's just very, very overpriced. Now, I love it. This is where you're going to be a bit confused. I absolutely love this thing. I'm going to unbox it for you. And the unboxing experience is pretty terrible, to be honest. It's quite a basic box. You get a manual. You get a pretty cool charging cable here into micro USB. I do like that, it's slim. You get your instructions here, which you won't need because it's quite simple. And the console itself is here. And this is basically a debit-sized handheld gaming device. You probably can't see it there, I'll give you some nice B-roll. It's called the Tetris micro card, and it's a slimline debit card sized Tetris handheld console, and it came in, you can pick it up for $54 if it's in stock on their site, which it probably isn't. I've been waiting for 3 months now and it isn't, but knowing my luck, as soon as I post this video, they've got it in stock. So I've actually had to pick this up for £70 on eBay. £70, that's like $90, and that's the only way I could get hold of it. So the people who's actually bought stock are now like selling it on eBay for a lot of money. So this is powered by the Arduboy, and it's basically a really cool handheld Tetris games console. And as you can see, it's kind of you've got like the transparent aesthetic to it, and I have like a love-hate relationship with this thing. I love playing it, but every time at the back of my head, I'm like, wow, I had to work a whole day to buy this, you know, which is absolutely crazy. The back's really nice. It's got like this aluminium purple design, which is quite nice with the Tetris microcard logo on the back here. But it all kind of went back to the Game Boy. This is where I started playing Tetris. I love it. Everyone who had a Game Boy probably played Tetris in their life. But now it's just like, I don't want to download an app. I kind of don't want to play it on my phone because you lose the nostalgic essence of playing on a little screen. But this brings it all back into a compact little device, which is actually really fun to play. So I'll turn it on now. I hope you guys can see. I'll try and zoom in. Ta-da! I will give you some better B-roll, I promise. And the screen is really, really nice. Have I taken? Yeah. I thought there was some like layer on it. So you've got like the on and off button up here, and you've got the mute audio switch up top here, and the only problem with that is that you can't set the volume, so it's literally just one volume setting, and it's loud enough for you to play like in your office. I'll turn that off for now, and the screen is really, really nice, but the one thing that impresses me is these little buttons. They're actually really, really nice. They're clicky, I dig it. And the whole aesthetic to it is just really, really nice. I love the transparent look. The back is just really, really nice. And it feels great. And you can chuck it in your pocket. Like, this is super lightweight, and it's extremely durable as well. Like, because it's got an aluminium back, you can bend it, you can throw it, like, it's gonna be fine. But the screen as well is incredibly nice. It's got a really nice OLED display on it. It's got some nice contrast. You can play it at night as well because it's slightly backlit, which is really cool. So I'll play a little game now. I hope you can see it very well. I'll give you some B-roll. And it's just, you can obviously, the problem again, like there's a lot of problems, but it's just nice. It only plays Tetris Classic. Which is a bit annoying. Some of you may want to, you know, change that up a little bit. Oh shit, I just pressed the wrong buttons. I screwed that up. So some of you may want like different Tetris modes, but unfortunately it doesn't have that. It just has the classic. But I like that because you can get really, really good at this game through this little handheld device because you know exactly what's going to happen. So your A button is basically to switch up, and then you can press up to instantly put the shapes down. And you know, you can get pretty good with this if you're a Tetris pro. And it's weird because this video is actually going to be me telling you like, not to buy it, even though I really do love it. It's weird because even at their retail price at $54, this is still not worth it. And I know the team has probably put a lot of effort into it. You know, it takes a long time to probably manufacture these. It's got good aluminium quality. They're using some really nice materials, but 54 bucks for one game is just way too much. Like the maximum I'd pay is 35 bucks for this, and I actually paid triple that just to get hold of it now. So you probably won't be able to grab one coming up to Christmas, but I love it. Like, it's a really, really cool device. I can chuck it in my bag. It has up to 6 hours game time, battery life, which is really nice. And I've actually played it for 5 hours up to until it needed the charge. So 5-6 hours is bang on there. They're not lying to you there. And it's just nice, guys. It's a nice gift to give someone or treat yourself, but not at 55 bucks. So don't buy it at 55 bucks. Wait for it to come down in a sale or something like that, then grab it. Hit me up on Twitter if you want to get notified when they come down, because I'm always keeping my eye on them for like gifts for friends and stuff. But there you have it. Like, this is without doubt the most overpriced handheld retro gaming device I've probably had on the channel. Like, there's been a lot which is overpriced and terrible, but you know, they're like either fakes or rip-offs. But this is like an official, you know, official branded product that's you know, being sold as something premium. So you know, it's amazing. I love it. It's a great gift, but just don't buy it yet. If you're gonna buy something similar to this, wait till you see my RG Boy video, because this is really cool. I think this is probably just as expensive. I think it's actually more. And the same problem, because they're the same manufacturers, they're just not making them quick enough. So I had to pick this up for a premium again, but I'll show you what this is all about, and this one is a lot cooler. This is like the Game Boy version. This is like the Game Boy Advance version, but this only has one game, where this one can have up to 200 games. Interesting. So definitely subscribe if you want to see that. So there's just a quick video of the Tetris micro card, the most overpriced retro handheld console I've seen so far. Don't pick it up, but pick it up when it comes down in price, because it's an absolute awesome little handheld console. So there you have it. As per usual, thanks for watching. Definitely hit subscribe if you want to see more retro handheld consoles and just gaming stuff in general. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Ta-da.